7, 8, and then came 9, 10 hiccups total.
I'm just fine.
Hic, 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 what a ride! Hippo hiccups side to side. Hic, 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 let's count again. Backwards now from 10 to 1, my friend. 10, 9, 8, and then came 7, 6, 5, 4, they're nearly leaving. 3, 2, 1, a big sigh too. Hippo smiled, I'm all through.